Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Kiki. Hi, how you doing? And so I just sounded like Wendy Williams up in there. I wasn't really trying to do all of that. But hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day and evening wherever you are. And thank you for tuning in because I know you don't have to. And so I got a box for an item and I wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you because as you know, I like to unbox things while recording it because I don't want anyone to tell me that the package was sent and it was sent in X condition. So yeah, we're doing an unboxing right now. I have my handy dandy X-Acto knife or a scalpel, whatever you want to call it. I'm doing major surgery on this box right now. And so thanks for hanging out with me. So I did buy something that I've never purchased from this company before. I've never purchased anything with them, but if you look at the history, it says I've had an account with them since 2014. So that was a surprise to me. And I saw this item and I was really interested in it. It says that it's from 2014, although most of the ones that I was looking at on Poshmark or was it Bag Borrow Sell, there was some available there as well, but they were from older. They were like from like 1998, 80 something, etc., etc. And so I thought it would be great. I thought it would be great to get one. And the reason I wanted one is because somebody showed how they were using theirs. And I thought it would be really cool. I just took it out of the bag. I didn't even tell you. It's from the Real Real, y'all. The Real Real, which has been questioned to be whether or not it's quite real, but I'm sure they're doing their homework now. I did notice that now when you buy items from them, and like I said, I never bought an item before, it does say that it's non-refundable. So y'all comment who have been with them longer. Let me know whether or not in the past it said all the items were non-refundable or if this is something that started post-pandemic, pre-pandemic or during the pandemic. So I got the cigarette case in Damier Ebene. Yes, ooh, fancy, huh? And so, yes, the cigarette case. Now you're probably wondering, Kiki, are you an avid smoker? And if so, what is your brand of choice? And the reality is, no, I don't smoke. I don't smoke, but I was really excited about this item when I saw how somebody was using it. And so this one doesn't really have a smell to it. There is a little thing in here that says an expert behind every item. This item is final sale, non-returnable from the Real Real. But I was really excited about this item when I saw how people were using it. And I can tell this did belong to a smoker though. I will tell you that. And you're asking me how I know it belonged to a smoker. I can tell it belonged to a smoker not because of the smell, because of the stiffness of it. Usually when you have things that have tar on them from smoking, they have this really stiff feeling to them. At least that's my interpretation of it. Maybe I'm wrong. Someone let me know if I'm wrong. But like I said, I wanted this item because I was really interested in how I saw a YouTuber using it. And what they had done with this, and y'all probably already know, is they had taken their lipsticks, su pintalabios, and they placed it inside of here to put in their bag. And I thought that would be a great idea because I have been using my mini pochette to hold these items while I kind of figure out the pochette métis situation, And the reality of it is that before using it for these items, I was using my mini pochette for all my thumb drives. Yes, I know, I still use thumb drives. I do, I really do. I still use thumb drives because I don't trust the cloud. I got issues about trust, And so I have in here, you've seen it before, my Dio 12 lip gloss. I have it on right now with my MAC. Yes, I still use MAC lipstick called Heroin, not the drug, but the hero. Here is my Dio lipstick 716, which I love. as well. And let's see if I can fit it. I always carry this tiny little thing of Chanel because I'm notorious for forgetting to put on mascara. Matter of fact, there is no mascara on right now. I just have on lip gloss with a little bit of lipstick. And so let's see if they all fit in here. And they all fit. See? My mascara, my 2 lipsticks, they all fit. And then I go and I tuck it in and it fits into my bag. And you know what the coolest thing about this is that because it does have some fade on it, it's not quite in the condition that the Real said it was, because you can see right here it has like some rubbing. Let's see if I can see. You see right there? And that wasn't depicted in the picture, but I am mad at it, y'all. I'm not mad at it. And so I am going to be using this item for this. I'm going to throw it in my bag. It was relatively inexpensive, so I'm not really too worried about the cost or how I'm using it. If anything, because it was pre-loved, despite what it said about the condition, I'm probably going to take advantage of this item in the sense that I'm going to use it very, very, very well. I'll probably look for, let's see here. Yep, it does have a date stamp on it, and it says that, it says that it is from 2003. So the 9th week of 2003. And so, like I say, I'm mad at it. I will clean it with soap and water. I'm mad at it, y'all. I'm mad at it. It's gonna do its job. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was quick. It's nice seeing you, everyone. If you haven't already done so yet, you know what to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment in the box, say what you need to say what you need to say. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!